In the previous video, we looked at what analysis is, and you got your first opportunity helping a team solve an interesting problem that will have a positive impact on the community. Let's dive into identifying the problem you've been tasked to solve. It may seem obvious, but clearly stating what the problem is that you'll be analyzing is an incredibly important first step. A well-defined problem, which includes a crisp problem statement, a list of who will be involved and their roles, the scope of the problem, and what the final product, also known as a deliverable, will be, is much easier to solve than a poorly defined one. You'll want to write this all down in a project charter document that the whole team will review, and to which you can return if the project starts to devolve from its original intent or focus. In this case, your problem is already fairly well stated. Your team is tasked with finding homes that don't have smoke detectors installed. Your manager has made it clear that you don't have the resources to just go door to door and ask who has them installed. You need to find and collect data that will help target homes for a free smoke alarm program. The scope is whatever geographical area the team decides to tackle, and the data must be from already existing sources. Take time and talk to your team to figure out who the stakeholders are, both on your team and in your organization as a whole. And lastly, what will your final product be? A presentation, a map, something printed, all of the above? To help you get started on this, let's take a closer look at the problem statement. A well-formed problem statement clarifies the situation, describing its severity, location, and impact. It also serves as a tool for aligning your team and making sure everyone is on the same page. A solid problem statement rallies others to your cause and makes clear what you're trying to accomplish. This is especially the case when you've identified a problem yourself versus being handed one to solve. That said, even when you have been assigned a problem, this is still a crucial first step. So let's get started. Grab that paper you were using before, pause the video, and try writing down the problem statement for your smoke alarm project. When you're done, you can compare your statement with the one we provided on the next screen.